Hey everyone, we're gonna go into the Rainforest Adventure Zoo, ain't we, Naomi? Yeah, you're looking at the waterfalls. Say, tell everybody to come along with the adventure for us. All right, come along. We're gonna go inside and see what we got. All right, let's do it. Are you ready?
Let's go. Stupid.
All right. So here's the Rainforest Adventure Zoo we're going to try out today, guys. So let's go on in and see what we can find. The adventure awaits. Right here in Pigeon Forge here. This is right across from, what we're across from here, like the Texas Roadhouse, and we're over by the Cinemax movie theater here. Here on Governor's Crossing Road here.
What is that?
What we got in there, Naomi? Let them.
What is that? We're gonna go that way after. These are lemurs. Lemurs.
What are they?
I see them lemurs.
Lemurs. Lemurs. Yeah.
It's in the other one.
Let's see where the other one is. He's right up there. That's pretty cool. There he is. He's looking at us now.
Look at him. He's looking at you. That is cool. Come here. Do you see it up there? That thing is.
Yep, a little lizard, isn't it? He's cute, isn't he? You like that? What do we got over here? More lizards? A bunch of little lizards, ain't they, Naomi?
Big ones, aren't they? They're not little bitty.
Ooh, a snake, isn't it? Ooh. Ooh, bad snake. What kind of snake is that?
King snake, but I think that's
Look at Naomi put her hand up to it. You're awful brave.
Ooh, Naomi, that's. Oh.
Yeah, he's sticking his tongue out. So I've got over here.
Jamie, oh my gosh, that's where we kind of want. That's a snake. Oh.
What is that, Naomi? The old python in there. That is way too big. Is there anything in that glass? Okay, I'm coming. Let's go see if we got a better view of that one. Oh, that's pretty neat. Got one up there eating.
It's in Pigeon Forge by the island. She's about it's about serial killers and like
Playing with his tail.
big events.
That's definitely him.
Yeah. I said $2 off coupons, but I'm not.
What we got there, Naomi?
The butthead.
Cockatoos. Wow, they was putting on a show for us, wasn't it? Yeah, he was putting a show on for us, both of them. When we got in there, anything?
There's turtles under there. That's all I see.
Turtles. Yeah, he's in the box.
It's supposed to be this, it is. But it's not, there's nothing in there. That I see.
You top nowhere. You're under the turtle over there underneath that thing. This. Got an iguana in there. Ooh, we got some more monkey things over here. Looks like a raccoon, the tail does.
You're not going to movies.
They're all over the place, ain't they?
Mommy, I don't want a baby. I don't want a baby.
He's strutting around, isn't he?
He's trying to climb up the rock.
He's trying to do what?
He's trying to climb up the rock.
Come on, let's go.
These guys look like they got little men's face on them. Let's turn around backwards. Got a little snake in there, don't you? Yeah. There's a turtle. Gala monster.
That's the point.
On this side here. It's got a neat little head on it. Bald pythons. Look at that snake, man. What kind of snake is that? Boa constrictor? And look real close. He's got a mouse in his mouth.
He's eating a mouse.
Ew, disgusting.
But it's
That's nasty.
That's a kookaburra that's here.
Oh, look, y'all. Look. Come on, there's more over here.
Yeah, there's our little lemurs again. So Naomi, you want to go outside and feed the goats and sheep and stuff?
Yeah. It's home.
Okay, let's go outside and see what they got to feed out here. Yeah, all the goats are out here. Are you feeding them?
A handful. Here.
Good job, goat.
Get a handful.
Feed the goats.
Don't throw it. Look.
Just let them eat out of your hands.
Watch Mama. See?
There's some with some horns popping through.
Now just hold your hand down there and eat it right out of your hand. Put something in your hand. Get a handful. No.
No, little ones. Good job.
And they eat it right out of your hand.
Got some baby goats over here too. Them's cute goats there. I like all them baby goats. Yeah. You gonna feed this goat? He's hungry, isn't
He
he?
just wants that food. Just hold your hand out and he'll get it. Hold your hand out. I promise. He knocked him down.
Yeah.
Every time she starts to feed, he knocks him down.
You're a mean goat. Blocking that one out of the way.
Good job.
You like them goats?
Yeah.
Look at this big one. Whoa. This is Grandpa Goat. Are you the Grandpa Goat? Are you the Grandpa Goat? Huh? You like the camera?
He says yeah.
Mm-hmm. You want to smile for me? There you go. That's a good smile. Yeah. Some food? You want some food? I ain't got any. Yeah, I ain't got any. Sorry.
Just open your hand and let him go. You gotta get up there close to him, baby. See? Get a big handful. Okay, now let him do some. Yeah. Here, baby.
Got some sheep over here.
I don't eat dogs.
Yeah.
Here, baby.
So you're hungry?
You hungry? She says. You're like, feed me, feed me.
Okay, here, Brooke. Let's do it.
Good job. Big dog.
Now we need more food, baby.
You really enjoy feeding these sheep and goats, don't you, baby?
Yeah.
Does it make you happy?
Yeah.
Scratching your paw?
He's saying, give me some.
I will. It's a big handful.
Oh, that's a little baby goat somewhere. Or a sheep. There's some babier ones. Big sheep's gonna knock baby sheep out of the way.
Just give it to the big ones. It's okay.
We're gonna go over and feed some more of these baby goats over here, leaving the sheeps behind, ain't we? Say, see you later, sheep. Say, see you later. Yeah. Bye. Bye. We'll see you later. Another side of the goats over here.
Oh, we can't get it.
Meh. With the goats?
Yeah. Sorry, no goats allowed.
Asking the goats to go to the movies with us, huh?
Come on.
Little baby goat.
Goats and fish.
Naomi just got her some coins, didn't you?
Okay.
Here's the ones we got. All 4 of those coins. So we're gonna start doing a collection of all these coins here for Naomi to keep. That way she remembers all the places she's been to. We got the monkeys, the sheep, kookaboos, tortoises.
Naomi, come over and look at this.
Let's go over and see what's over here, Naomi.
No, put it in your pocket.
Looks like oversized rats. A gouty.
What's in there? Uguti.
Yeah, it looks like oversized rats.
That's what they're called. Uguti.
Ugatees. Ugatees. Where are they from?
South America.
We're in North America. Let's see what kind of monkeys we got over here. Let's see what we got over here. Here we go. We got the pretty ones here again. The raccoon tails piles. Yeah. Where are you going to? You going down? And you're taking off. You coming down?
Look at him peeking underneath there. He's
Yeah.
peeking under the glass.
Hey, buddy. They got pretty eyes, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Naomi, you scared them.
You show them your money?
I forgot you stupid mom. I did this.
This is the Mayon water monitor. I guess he monitors the water. Who can come in and who can't. He looks friendly. I don't know if he is or not.
Looks friendly.
Southeast Asia. So this is the research station over here. Yep, research station. Got some little rats. Mine's a little chipmunks. Or what? There's a little baby one down there. There's a crocodile monitor. Hey, you want to take a picture with him?
Yeah.
Okay, get up here and say cheese.
Look at Daddy.
Is that your best friend?
It's stupid.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Yeah, Tigu.
Probably not.
He's a little feller.
Wait a minute, Naomi.
Still big enough feller. Hey Jeffrey, do you talk? Huh? Oh, you never learned how to talk? You must be mute. A skink. Yeah, that's a skink.
Yeah, it's the same thing, baby.
Ooh, there's a carpet python. Where'd you find your carpets? Yep, that's a mongoose, isn't it? You like those?
Yes.
You want to take one of them home?
Nah.
Yeah.
Bite me.
They bite you? This one over here's digging to town here. He's digging away. So this is bearded dragon. And then we got one down here just moving around. How you doing there, buddy? Yep, bearded dragons. He's scratching his tail, isn't he? Yeah, they're all over the place. A turtle. We got some other kind of monkeys crawling around back there. He's coming down the wall. Hey, buddy. Squirrel monkey. That's a squirrel monkey. Here comes another one up here. Trying to catch them, they're so fast. Hey, squirrel monkey. There's an alligator. Laying there still. That's a spink rats here. Nasty looking things. See what we got over here. House mouse. Little house mouse, as it says. There's some Caribbean parrots. Okay, here's some baby rats feeding here. And this is what they look like from days 1 through 5. As you can see them down there eating, getting milk. And then we move to the next one. This is days 6 through 11. And that's how big the babies get quick back there. And then we're going from days 12 to 18. Look how much bigger they are there. 12 to 18 and days 19. Now look at them. Huge. Little rats. Guinea pigs. There's a bunch of guinea pigs. Feeding time for the guinea pigs.
Sim.
Oh, some big old porcupines. Man, don't get poked by them.
You're not getting up there.
There's Toucan Sam getting something to drink. Here's the gift shop on the outside once you get done. Got all the jungle adventure stuff here for the kiddos. Polar bears, Arctic adventure. Truck with dinosaurs and everything. Was that, a lion? Got little coffee cups for the kiddos, drinking cups. Little puzzles. Got these hardboard puzzles you can do. Match the shapes and the animals into the chunky puzzle. And more coffee cups for the kiddos with their names on them. Yeah, they got a neat little gift shop here. Got some saddle babies. And then you got your candy. But yeah, they got a great little gift shop in here. This is a great little place to come, bring the kids, feed the goats, and see all the little animals and stuff they got here. But I hope you guys like this video. Come back again. We'll have some more videos coming up here soon. Daily life in the Smokies, Smoky Mountain back roads, and sheep invasions across the USA. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and God bless you, and we'll see you guys next time. There's a little path through the bamboo forest here. I love bamboo trees. That's one thing I like going when I go to the zoo and stuff in Florida. Different areas like that has all these bamboos. The house I got back in Indiana, we got bamboos planted out there. So you guys like all bamboos, or leave me a comment if you guys like bamboo trees too. Just think it's neat. Way up in the bamboo forest. In the bamboo forest, yeah. Cool, isn't it? Yeah, this is cool. Wow. Yes.